burning issues, global issues that we are facing. And nanoscience and technology has to offer solutions for both of them. It was amazing, I was seeing an article to find out that these nanomaterials can not only stop the pollution from the point sources, but now we have explored, the science has explored the ways that we can mitigate the effect of already present carbon dioxide in the environment. And the atmospheric levels of carbon dioxide that can be already present levels can be reduced. That's an amazing development, and they've already done that, and now they are working on the economically viable ways that how can we implement it economically. And one day we will hear the news that now we are in a position, using this nanomaterials, we are in a position to shrink back the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And that would be a big breakthrough. And so are the applications in case of water pollution, that where we'll be able to isolate, to remove all those toxic materials, toxins, dyes, and heavy metals. And even it's amazing to know that there are sieves now, mechanical sieves that can sieve the teeny creature as small as viruses and bacteria. So there's a tremendous potential, and so is the case in case of the power problem that the energy problem that we are having. So nanomaterials can help in solar technologies, in batteries, and windmills, and you name. And there's an application for that. It's cheap, it's reliable, and you come up with the characteristics of the material that were never there when you go to the nanoscale. So I hope this conference here will introduce our students, our faculty, to this new amazing science, and that will motivate them to start collaborating with the people who are out there in that field, and they start thinking about their future and having projects in those fields. And we are fortunate to have international speakers and national speakers who are experts in that field. I hope our faculty and students will take this opportunity to develop collaborations with them, and get a time to discuss with them. And at the end of this conference, we will have better understanding of the subject also, and we'll have people that we can collaborate with for establishment of our future projects, and hope that this conference will be a success in that manner. So again, I thank you very much to all of our invited speakers, both international and national, and all the people who have come all the way from different institutions to come here. I hope your stay here will be comfortable and it will be a productive session. Thank you very much, everybody.